Hello, welcome to online legal writing for non-native speakers of English. The purpose of this class is practicing reading and writing in legal context. Class component will include legal reading practice, cases, general information about American legal system, and legal writing practice, case brief, law office memoranda, critical responses, group projects, etc. Critical reading practice and vocabulary development, which includes basic legal terminology and academic vocabulary. We will also do some research practice where we will learn about basic information how to find law. Success component. If you want to be successful in this course, you need to participate as much as you can. Engage in group activities with your colleagues and communicate with your instructor on a regular basis. You have to complete your homework on time. Use American English as much as you can. Communication is the key. Communicate with your instructor very frequently, especially if you have any questions or issues. Communicate with your classmates as well. Work systematically. Online courses require more self-discipline and time management skills. Our course is going to be very interactive. It provides accessibility but demands as much, if not more, time than face-to-face class. Work hard. Not only will you have interactive exercises and activities in this class, you will also email your instructor and classmates, post responses on Blackboard, and work together on projects via online meeting rooms, email, Skype, Google Docs, etc. You will complete lots of ungraded practice quizzes and exercises to help you master your skills. You can take these as often as you want. You will submit assignments through Blackboard and receive detailed feedback from your instructor. So let's get started and good luck!